All right, we've got a little bit of font formatting happening there, right, to the text that's within the cell. In this case, I did the monthly budget. Made it bold, made it bigger, changed the color. I changed the font, no longer Calibri, but now we got Arial Black. Right, you pick your favorite font as well. Let's take a look at another really quick feature here. I want to change the background color of my title. Now, the title's a little bit more unique because I've made it so big. It actually expands across multiple cells. You see here that the main cell is B2, but then it also bleeds into C2 and D2 and E2. And if I start making it bigger, it's going to keep going there. So we're going to talk about changing the background color here, but we also need to adjust the space that text is found within. Okay, so we're going to change background color here, but then in a later video, we're going to talk about a feature called merge and center. So we'll come back to that. Once again, put it in the back of your head. Hold on to that idea for a moment. Then we do need to adjust this, and we'll come back to it. All right, let's talk about the fill color, the background color of a cell. Really simple. I click into a cell, such as B2. I'm going to go back to my Home tab, and underneath the font section, you got a little paint bucket. If I hit the little down arrow, just like the font color right next door, that capital A, it's broken up into the theme colors and your standard colors. So from here, I'm going to pick a color. Let's see, I made the text initially blue, but I think I'm going to change some stuff here. So let's say I go, I'm going to make the background blue, which kind of overrides my text, and I'm going to make the text white. So I went back to the font color there, and I'll make that the white color there. All right, that's looking pretty good. I like the background color. I like how the white text makes that pop. But now we're running into the issue of, well, I'm not seeing the rest of the text. So what I'm going to do here first is going to be, it's not really the absolute way that I want to do it, but we're going to do it this way to hold on for just a moment, and then I'm going to show you another option later on. So for right now, to get that text to show up, I'm going to highlight C2. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button, and I'm going to drag all the way over to the G column. And I'm going to go ahead and change the fill color, the background color, to that blue color as well. Let's just get that nice title there. All right, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Now, it's not absolutely finished here yet. Like I said, we're going to talk about merge and center in just a little bit. But for now, quickly grab a cell, such as your title there, maybe multiple cells, like B2 to G2, and let's change that fill color. Let's pick whatever you want. If you need to change your font color to get them so they don't interfere or mismatched colors, right, change that as well if you need to. But try that out, then let's jump into the next video.